Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid dishwasher upper dish rack adjuster. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the screws and the upper dish rack adjuster. The upper dish rack adjuster allows you to adjust the height of the upper dish rack. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's damaged and you can't adjust the rack. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we're going to pull the upper rack out so we can take the end caps off. There's two different styles of end caps on this particular dish rack. On this one, all you have to do is push in the button and pull the end cap out. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. To get this end cap off, we're just going to use a flathead screwdriver and push on the locking tab right here and just push it towards the center of the dishwasher. Once you have the locking tab free, you can just rotate it and pull it off. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Before we pull the dish rack out, we're going to put a towel on the countertop so it doesn't scratch it when we work on it. Once you have the towel down, we're going to pull the rack out. Once you have the rack out, we can set it on the countertop. There's two adjusters on these. They're both changed out the same way. Now we can take out the two retainers. There's two of them on the adjuster. We're just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to get behind them and pop them off. Doesn't matter if they break. We're going to get screws in the new one anyways. Once you have the retainers out, we can take this back plate off. All you have to do is pull the bottom out and then drop it down. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Once you have the cover off, then we can push the adjuster assembly back a little bit and take the release lever off and set it aside. Now we have to release the adjuster from this metal arm. There's a locking tab on each side. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to press them in. A lot of times, because the plastic is so fragile, they'll just break. Once you have them released, you can lift the adjuster off and pull it off the rack. Here's the old upper dish rack adjuster next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new adjuster on, we're just going to slide it down onto the bracket, lock it in place. Once you have it all the way down and locked into place, you can put the release lever in. We're just going to tilt it back a little bit and set it into position. Just line it up on each end, set it into place. Once you have it in place, we're going to lift the adjuster up against the rack, and then we can put the back plate on. To put the backing plate on, we're just going to lift the tab up into the other piece and then swing it down and snap it on. Once you have it snapped into place, we can use the Torx 15 driver to put the screws in. Once you have the screws tightened down, we can put the dish rack back in the dishwasher. Just going to lift it off the counter and line it up on the rails. Once you have it on, we're going to push it in and then pull the rails out so we can put the end caps on. To put this style of end cap on, you want to make sure this side is on the inside of the dishwasher. We're going to set the lower half in and rotate it up and lock it on. To put this style of end cap on, all we have to do is line it up on the rail and press the button. Then we can push it in so the tabs line up. Release the button so it locks in place. Once you have the end caps on, we can push the upper dish rack back in, close the door, pull the towel off, plug it back in, take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.